The FM.
Skabi mai.
The FM.
So
Bible cracker or say Juma in idiot.
Ofatana ketua.
Exactly, you know.
Hasu folk. And this season we can story about 3 times or so.
They must resolve it. Some can issue do me were 2 quick and you may become foreign. First one here. I think Obia can say there's a special link of the Europa League to Nhyira in Ipakonidika. He has really cemented his legacy with our competition, and it's so nice. It's a effort. Say Oben who said coach be dominating a certain competitions and Enra or the Villa final no. I think Obia him say because of him onon ko akra no na Emma Villa overwhelming favorites. But Rich, sometimes you just being favorite doesn't win you the competition. You must produce the performance on the day. And between the two, send they be in the finals, no. I think Freiburg went there for the occasion, Villa went there to win. And Omutimi a win here. Now, the mom win here special no the spectacular goals no almost share. No. It was so handsome win no effort to do. And she imagine say oh, yeah, Aston Villa supporter na utu kwai from England, Echo Istanbul, Nhyira. You are not just winning. You are not just being part of singing United Emirates in a glorious legacy with the Europa League. You know, you are not just experiencing or club win the Europa League that night. You know, but Rich, you will be entertained by the goals. You know, the standard of football, no more boy. You know. And that was so fulfilling and satisfactory to any Aston Villa fan be okopiemu ewo Istanbul bia. But Rich, Nhyira ebedrum maybe no. The English clubs will dominate the Europa League and the Conference League. Say about Champions League na. Even though o compare Sikasemoa Sika what Premier League ni muno esochin all the other leagues. But individual clubs be to say Paris Saint-Germain. Individual clubs be to say Bayern, Real Madrid, Barcelona. To some extent Juventus money adeno. Individually as a club and a brand no. Almost level of Sikasam. And they can match Liverpool, Manchester United, Chelsea, Arsenal, any other. And at the Champions League level there, because there are big clubs there, now financially, we are sounding it, you know, we will continue to see competition. But Rich, unya tiba major clubs now, the various federations Europe now, almost second tier clubs now, they don't have money. But Oko English Premier League anymore. Rich, aside Man City, Manchester United, Chelsea, Arsenal, mono, even the likes of Villa, Nottingham Forest, money, Omusi Kasamno as compared to Freiburg, Leverkusen, Marseille, Saint-Etienne, mono, it was so. And because of that, they are able to build squad. Yet good enough in terms of quality, and yet deep enough in terms of the depth of the squad. And we are Rich. The English teams are going to dominate the Europa League and the Conference League. Because at that level, other teams, other federations cannot match their pockets. In Nhyira, even though we were watching Villa against Freiburg, look at the quality difference.
It was a huge.
Yes. And it's a Freiburg catch your budget for the season. Now they got to Aston Villa for one. It tells you they are overwhelming favorites. So meet me winning. Last season, when I Europa League in Tottenham. You get it. And Nhyira.
And Manchester United in a
final. Two English teams.
Two English teams.
Yes. Now there's an English team in the Conference League final. Crystal Palace. Yeah. And obviously where they win it. And apart from the Champions League where they are big clubs are, omo ewo sika individual omo timi a match English teams na omo wo sika no unya tiba from kakra bi pair from the French league, from the Spanish La Liga, from the Italian Serie A, any other leagues now omo compete in the Europa League, any conference league, you know, they don't have what it takes in terms of omo pocket. Once in a while you benya project bi a rich edru chabrea ebetima babeji Europa League, ebetima babeji Conference League. Esa de Jean Piero Gasperini in the Atlanta where you know. You will get once in a while a flash like that. But I am saying, say, Opa, take my word from today. In the next 10 years, say per clubs are magic Europa League, New Conference League now, reach the English clubs will win about 60% of it, if not even more, because Omuoska to build a very, very good squad. Our squad no deep enough to negotiate these competitions and dominate it. I think Villa and United Emery, they were made to make history and they really made it. Rich, my second one and my last one, a very, very short. And I may share Sky News and Umreno. And more back pages, you know, papers, you know, for today. Majority of them reported say there is a proposal for Mikel Arteta say on extending the contract with Arsenal, and not just extending the contract. There's a proposal to back him. Say team ya or the AG Premier League ya or the World Champions League final, no, they are going to buy additional players at the amount. Even some of the English tabloids mentioned Krupi, Mone, even Julian Alvarez. Say, or your Arsenal targets.
Junior Krupi.
Yes. Of Bournemouth. Yeah. Then Julian Alvarez at Barcelona say number one target. You know. Arsenal is ready to get cash them and bring him. That is what some of the English media are reporting. Now, it makes sense, my boy. Say, the Mikel Arteta hire this season with Arsenal, no? Ube sene ni munyamba extending the contract. Na watu ni pay mupa mo na musa ampa. Wabaya juma di amount. It makes sense again, say, the timing of the contract proposal, no? Because, may I sure say, for the years now we do Arsenal, no? Rich, this year was the year and Omo say he should bring something major home. Sanka Mikel Arteta ain't me winning the Premier League. Rich, even though why dear progressively, no, there will still have been question about say whether he is the man to bring glory to Arsenal. But I say Premier League a boom advantage for his name, and it's will be secure on a job, and Arsenal are ready to offer that. Now, Rich, in Pempi forecast in Biche, I must say, I am not a yes or top one a problem, no. Name what drew on a woman maintaining honors and no one. And Enra, whilst I was watching the Sky Sports News, one thing depended about my dream, and I decided to share it and Nanopa. Rich, all time Arsenal decided say Omobefa Mikel Arteta Jumano. Na onye Juma bia a man who deserve Arsenal job, no. The only thing that convinced anybody say Mikel Arteta can do the job is him being assistant to Pep and sitting right next to Pep for all the glory days. Nana Pep, so the impression was that so what Pep will change as an assistant. Na the Pep be on in there, and it's all more no opportunity. Was she no maybe free Pep war? And Sayadisiano, everything Yamana Arsenal. That was the reason why they gave him the job. Now, Rich, say no crese Arteta. Indeed, Esianuma be free Pep war, and I mean nay, wababe a successful coach. Afei pana, Rich, here one of Pep's best traits as a coach to build the Arsenal legacy. Consistent taste for success. And no more baby, I Mikel Arteta say free Pep one. Adia bakupa here now. After what Timmy Premier League for Arsenal, no, I say, the Biana no run in China on any age, man. At the end of my Pep, Rich, even though he was hugely successful, Debian he went after success. On me that Uncle so my GBB so I am okay. time I know I understand. Pep was always chasing excellence. Now, whatever na Emma Pep, a dance house by Nedino, Mikel Arteta now need to tell us now from who we are singing now, and the whole football world say, and your man will see free Pep one, Sadi and a cow. And see, and go for him, oh, okay. Oh, by and you spend years, why the league am Arsenal now? You potentially can even win the Champions League. So, who do level of success in the year? Rich, unu players nina. There is a huge tendency say, after Mubaka say, man, you've achieved what the Arsenal team in a long while. Well, here you may be very, very complacent, Rich. Oh, you have a job to say, yeah. And Mamin can we and some of the manuesi. Unim from baby Ameteno. Adia Bakoema Pep, it's maintaining a success bar. Rich. The moment any form of indication, any subain, any player or then a GBB say player no as I say show symptoms say we do and that's only a common being he allow you to live. On my own now they are affected him on my canon. And he only said there were times Pep Aje trophy. The next season, some key players will leave the team. Then go for say, but these are key members. Rich, from maybe I'm telling you, what I noticed about Pep and say, the moment we win, and you become okay as a player, say, what do we've won? And I come and do be no. Rich, until now my own say team no. Until now my own first house subaino, and affected the rest of the players. So, Masaya Jari, Jimmy, yenye okay na yentra. Obemu quick. Senebia he will continue to keep a common with him. And they be as well rich. And that is why I'm confessing Pepper part to look, sometimes you need to blend omo comedy omo fofro with omo a comedy so di omo but they've achieved a certain level of success. It's new ones in the bar. They come into the dressing room and ask the old ones and say, Charlie, me buy say dear moyen. Me say me come hona me so me Jimmy trophies oh. Enti send your moyen no. Me so baba no. And my mom relax it. Mama me so me nyi bi ansa na. Say be relax. Enti debiano there are new voices in the dressing room that are telling the other old ones and say, Charlie, the time me come home is to also win some. Enti mo am na me so me nyi bi. Mikel Arteta now. Yes, sir. Secret na. Onu ben Pep no ohun here from hand side first hand why Pep consistently want the hunger for success and this is the time so bet me a dominate say nko for predict say oh it is his time to dominate English football now. Rich, he needs to go after Pep and Subano for him to stay at the top for a very, very long time. I think say Ejuan the African Obabesa say Rich Afripa and Obabesa say and Marenfia Domini San. It's now Arsenal will be the target of every English Premier League club next season. Okay. Arsenal will be the target. Obiani Arsenal Koba when say many champions na Kobo. I have to play them with maximum attention. And that is where sustaining success becomes a problem for teams now. We will watch Mikel Arteta. Okay. Now you're here. Say echo. Some
doors na yemrefi mefa efisam no ntwam so. Tonko Douglas the message be the aba. Douglas say Liverpool needs to augment